Today, we're going to explore the best ways to get around Bangkok. From the bustling streets to the serene waterways, we'll cover everything you need to know about transportation in this vibrant city. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how to get from Bangkok's two main airports into the city: Suvarnabhumi Airport and Don Mueang Airport. Suvarnabhumi Airport is Bangkok's main international gateway. There are several ways to get into the city from here. 1. Airport Rail Link. The Airport Rail Link connects Suvarnabhumi to the city center. It's fast, affordable, and convenient, with trains running every 10 to 15 minutes. The journey to Phaya Thai station takes about 30 minutes and costs around 45 baht. 2. Taxis. Taxis are available at the airport's taxi stand. The fare to the city center is approximately 300 to 500 baht, plus a 50 baht airport surcharge and any highway tolls. 3. Airport buses. Several airport bus routes connect Suvarnabhumi to various parts of Bangkok. This is a budget-friendly option with fares around 60 baht. Don Mueang Airport mainly serves low-cost carriers and domestic flights. Here are your options to get into the city. 1. A1 and A2 buses. These buses connect Don Mueang to Mo Chit BTS and Chatukik Park MRT stations. The fare is 30 baht. 2. Taxis. Taxis are readily available and cost around 300 to 400 baht to the city center, plus a 50 baht airport surcharge and any highway tolls. 3. Train. There's a train station near the airport with services to Hua Lamphong station in central Bangkok. The journey takes about an hour and costs less than 20 baht. Next, let's dive into Bangkok's public transportation options, which are affordable and efficient. The BTS Skytrain is one of the best ways to get around Bangkok. It has two main lines: the Sukhumvit line and the Salom line. The trains are air-conditioned, clean, and punctual. Tickets range from 16 to 59 baht, depending on the distance. The MRT subway is another excellent option, covering areas not served by the BTS. The Blue Line and the Purple Line connect key parts of the city. Fares range from 16 to 42 baht. Bangkok's extensive bus network offers a cheap way to travel, with fares starting as low as 8 baht. However, buses can be slow due to traffic, so they're best for short distances. For a unique perspective of the city, try the public boats on the Chao Phraya River. The Chao Phraya River Express. Boats are a great way to avoid traffic and see the city's landmarks. Fares start at 15 baht. Taxis and ride-hailing services offer door-to-door convenience. Taxis are plentiful in Bangkok, but make sure the driver uses the meter. A typical fare within the city ranges from 100 to 200 baht. Grab is the most popular ride-hailing app in Bangkok. It's convenient and often more reliable than traditional taxis. The fares are similar to taxis, but you get a fixed price upfront. For short distances and a bit of adventure, try tuk-tuks and motorbike taxis. Tuk-tuks are an iconic part of Bangkok's transportation scene. They're fun but can be more expensive than taxis. Always negotiate the fare before getting in. Motorbike taxis are great for beating traffic, especially during rush hours. They can be found at designated stands and are perfect for short trips. Fares start around 20 baht. Exploring Bangkok by foot or bike offers a closer look at the city's vibrant life. Cycling is becoming more popular in Bangkok, with dedicated bike lanes in some areas. Bike-sharing services like Pun are available and easy to use. Walking is one of the best ways to explore Bangkok's markets and alleys. Just be prepared for the heat and wear comfortable shoes. Bangkok offers a diverse range of transportation options to suit every traveler's needs. Whether you're commuting from the airport, exploring the city on public transport, or enjoying a tuk-tuk ride, getting around Bangkok can be an adventure in itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides.
City streets alive, traffic chaos thrives. Motorbikes they zoom, sidewalks make room. Skytrain overhead, tuk-tuks racing red. Hustle never ends, join the transit trend. Bangkok bus non-stop, ride it to the top. Public transport sway, take you every way. Taxi counts in line, colored like divine. Buses weaving through, got no time to lose. River boats they glide, through the city wide. Chao Phraya calls, ride those floating halls. Bangkok bus non-stop, ride it to the top. Public transport sway, take you every way. Taxi counts in line, color bright divine. Buses weaving through, got no time to lose. River boats they glide through the city wide. Chao Phraya calls, ride those floating halls. Bangkok bus non-stop, ride it to the top. Public transport sway, take you every way. Taxi counts in line, color bright divine.